All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, today I told you we are going to be going over the signed transactions module. So let's get and have a look at that. It was a pretty short module, so I got two of them knocked out. Finished this one and I started the second one, but we're just going to go over this first one for now. So basically, in this section, we will go over the concept of signing transactions and private keys. Now, a private key is a secret number that allows you to access your cryptocurrency. It is like a password that you should never share with anyone. It is used to sign transactions. If someone gets a hold of your private key, they can access your funds. Now, the public key is derived from your private key and is used to receive funds. It is like your bank account number that you can share with others to receive money. This is used to verify the signature of a transaction. So this public key is used to verify the private key. The private key you never want to give out, and the public key is going to be used to verify your private key. So if you ever send a transaction, you're going to sign it with your private key, and if you send that transaction to someone, they're going to use this private key to verify that it came from you by verifying it against your private key. So if the private key doesn't match the public key, then the transaction is no good and it won't go through. So instead of a hash, the public key is generated from the private key by using an elliptic curve digital signature algorithm, or ECDSA. And the private key is only known to the owner, while the public key is shared with others. The private key is used to sign transactions, while the public key is used to verify the signature of the transaction, like I just stated for you. Now, if the public key is incorrect or has been tampered with, the signature will not match and the transaction will be rejected. That's basically the gist of what the whole module was about. We just went in depth about everything about that surrounding the private key and the public key. And we also touched on other things like seed phrases and all that stuff, but I'm not going to go into that right now. So that was the end of the module for that. The next one we're going to do is we're going to go back into the gas module. It's going to be gas 2. And this one is going to be dealing with, I'm going to click on it. Since it was a short module, I could click on it and let you know what this one is going to be about. So the gas tour is going to be about going into the concept of the block rewards in EIP-1559. But we'll get into more of that tomorrow. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.